Founded in 1937, Mapei has been supporting ceramic tile installers and those who work with passion every day since 1950. From sand to cement to cutting-edge adhesive solutions, Mapei has revolutionized the installation of ceramics and natural stone. This transformation has made every installation safer, more precise, and faster, thanks to a full range of innovative products. Our solutions are the result of decades of research and development, designed to anticipate and meet all needs in terms of covering types, construction techniques, formats, and thicknesses. Every product for ceramic and natural stone installation is part of an integrated system designed to adapt to any challenge and application field. These solutions combine design and functionality, perfectly finishing surfaces and enhancing spaces. Our quality goes beyond the product itself. We are your trusted partner, offering specialized training and constant support in the design studio and on-site. We support designers and installers worldwide at every stage of their work, from small projects to major international works. Mapei confirms its leadership in the sector thanks to its deep commitment to the environment, with sustainable products that ensure safety and durability over time. Safeguarding the environment and the health of users are our priority. Mapei, building a present designed to have a future.